To create a thumbnail, first you have to go to your Photos app and find the photo. So you just scroll around however you find photos. The most recent photos are usually at the bottom of your lists. Videos are in their own folder. So I found a video of this old one of Mom making shrimp curry, and I loaded it, and then I'm just going to scan through it real quickly to find some image that I liked. And then once you find the image, you press those two buttons at the top of the iPhone, to take a screenshot. When you do that, it'll save the picture to the photos again. So there's the screen capture I just did. And when you do that, you can crop the photo how you like, dragging those lines around it to frame just what you want. And then whenever you're done, you just say, you hit the done button, and your screen capture will then be saved to the Photos album. I chose Save to Photos. You could choose something else, but save it to Photos. Then you go back to Photos, go to the bottom, find that photo that you want, and open it. And then in the top right, there's a button that says Edit. So you click the Edit button, and that will allow you to make changes here. Since you're doing this for YouTube, you're going to want to crop it, which is the button on the right side on the bottom, and you want to change it to 16:9 ratio since I'm wider in landscape. So the one of the buttons at the top of the screen, the one that's yellow right now, is the one that allows you to quickly change the presets, so you can change the dimensions to 16:9, and then you can zoom in, zoom out, pan until you have the thing framed exactly how you want. So that's what I've done. You can continue to edit it. There's a markup button, which was at the top of the window, and it looks like a pencil kind of. So when you click that, you get this view where you can add text. So you add text by clicking the plus button in the bottom of the window, choosing text, and you can just type what you want. You can change the color, change the size. You can drag this text window around the screen so you can reposition it where you want. It's hopefully pretty intuitive, but whenever you want to edit the text, you have to click it to select it, and then you can click the various buttons there to change the colors. You can change to a wide range of colors. You just have to highlight all the text and then choose the color you want. And you can add more text. You just do the same thing. Hit that plus button again, choose text, move the text box wherever you want, type the text in that you like. You can resize it or recolor it. It's exactly the same as before. You just make the text that you want, move it around, recolor it, resize it, and eventually when you're done, you hit the done button. And this is done to say that you're done with the markup part. And then you have to hit done again to say that you're done editing the photo, and that will save the final version, which is going to be your thumbnail, right? So right now you see I'm still playing with the text, but once I'm done with that, here I'm changing the font and playing with the size and stuff. I'll hit the done button at the top right of the window. It's blue done button right now. And by default, there's only a few fonts available. Like I only have the 3, but you can add more fonts to your phone if you like. Anyway, after you're done editing text, again, you hit the done button, which was yellow, and that's it. When you close out of this, that photo gets saved to your library like it is here. And now you have a thumbnail.